Hello students. For increasing your GK, today we learn different type vegetables and we see this one vegetables how pronounce in Marathi, Hindi and English. This one cauliflower, spelling cauliflower. Cauliflower. In Marathi we call fulgobi or flower, and in Hindi we call this one vegetable fulgobi. This one tomato, spelling tomato, tomato. In Marathi saying tomato, and in Hindi this one vegetable called tomato. This one onion, spelling onion, onion. In Marathi saying kanda, and in Hindi we call pyaz. Then another one, this one, which vegetable? Brinjal, brinjal, brinjal. We call this one in Marathi wangi, and in Hindi baingan. This one potato, spelling potato, potato. In Marathi we call batata, and in Hindi we call aloo. This one cabbage, spelling cabbage, cabbage, and we Marathi call this one gobi, and in Hindi band gobi. Another one lady's finger, ladys, finger, lady's finger. In Marathi we saying bhendi, and in Hindi we saying bhindi. Bhendi in Marathi and bhindi in Hindi. Next, capsicum, spelling capsicum, capsicum. In Marathi we saying bhopli mirchi, and in Hindi we saying shimla mirch. Carrot, spelling carrot, carrot. In Marathi we saying gajar, and in Hindi also we saying gajar. In Marathi we saying gajar, and in Hindi we saying gajar. Peas, spelling peas, peas, and in Marathi we saying watana, and in Hindi we saying matar. This one bitter gourd, spelling bitter, bitter, gourd, bitter gourd. In Marathi we pronounce karle, and in Hindi we pronounce karela. Drumstick, drumstick, drumstick. In Marathi we saying sheng, शेवग्याची शेंग, and in Hindi we saying sahajan. This one pumpkin, spelling pumpkin, pumpkin. In Marathi we saying bhopla, लाल भोपळा, and in Hindi we saying kaddu. This one ginger, spelling ginger, ginger. In Marathi we saying आले, in Hindi we saying adrak, chillies, chilies. In Marathi we pronounce mirchi, and in Hindi we pronounce mirch. This one, garlic, spelling Garlic, garlic, and in Marathi we saying lasun. In Hindi we saying lahasun. This one, rich gourd, RIDGE, rich GOURD, gourd. In Marathi we saying घोसावळे, and in Hindi we saying तुरई. This one, beetroot, spelling BEETROOT, beet root. In Marathi we saying beet, and in Hindi we saying chukandar. This one, snake gourd, spelling SNAKEGOURD, snake gourd. In Marathi we saying padwal, and in Hindi we saying padwal. This one, beans, spelling BEANS, beans. In Marathi we pronounce soya bean, and in Hindi we saying phaliya. This one, radish, spelling RADISH, radish. In Marathi we saying mula, and in Hindi we saying mooli. This one, looking water bottle, so it's called a bottle gourd, spelling BOTTLEGOURD, bottle gourd. And in Marathi we saying dudhi bhopla. In Hindi we saying lauki. And this one called turnip, spelling TURNIP, turnip. In Marathi we saying पातीचा कांदा, and in Hindi we saying shaljam. Another one, this one called mushroom, spelling MUSHROOM, mushroom. In Marathi we called alambi, and in Hindi we called kukurmutta. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. For increase your GK, keep watching Savita Fowde Academy. Bye bye.